In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an existing project into Lovable. Step by step. Whether you already have a project on GitHub or you want to bring your existing work into Lovable for easier management, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Lovable and go to your dashboard. To import an existing project, you'll need to connect Lovable to your GitHub account, since Lovable is designed to work seamlessly with GitHub repositories. Look for the option that takes you to Settings and click on it. Next, inside the Settings area, find the Integrations section. Under Integrations, you'll see GitHub listed. Click on the GitHub option to begin the connection process. The step is very important, so make sure you follow along carefully. Now, click on the Connect GitHub button. This will open a new tab where you can sign in to your GitHub account. Enter your GitHub username and password, or continue using Google if that option is available to you. Once the connection is successful, you'll be redirected back to Lovable. After connecting, you should see your GitHub username displayed, confirming that the integration is active. From here, you can manage your GitHub access and even connect organizations if needed. This allows Lovable to access your existing repositories properly. Next, scroll down in your Lovable dashboard and click on View All to see your connected projects. You'll now be able to see projects that are linked with GitHub. Find the project you want to import and click on the three dots next to it. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside the project settings, you can view options like project visibility and project category. You can also choose to hide the project or remix it if you want to create a new version based on the existing one. You'll also notice that the project shows it's connected to GitHub. From here, you can view the repository directly on GitHub if you want, confirming that everything is properly linked. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully imported an existing project into Lovable using GitHub. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.